Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print in black and white using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, navigate to the website or page that you want to print. This could be an article, a document, an image, or any web content you need a physical copy of. After the page has fully loaded, right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Print. This action will open Chrome's built-in print dialog where you can configure all your printing settings before sending the document to your printer. Now, on the left side of the print dialog, you'll see various printing options. Look for the section labeled Destination. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. This is where you select which printer you want to use. From the list that appears, choose your preferred printing device. This ensures that your document will be sent to the correct printer, whether it's a local printer connected to your computer or a network printer available in your office. Next, you need to change the color settings. Still on the left side of the print dialog, locate the drop-down menu labeled Color. Click on it to reveal the available options. From the list, select Black and White. This setting tells Chrome to convert all the colors in your document to grayscale, which is perfect if you want to save on colored ink or if you simply prefer a black and white printout. Once you've configured your destination printer and set the color mode to black and white, take a moment to review all your settings. You can also adjust other options like page orientation, paper size, or margins if needed. When everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, click the Print button at the bottom of the dialog. Your document will now be sent to the printer in black and white format. And that's it. You've successfully configured Chrome to print in black and white, saving you ink and giving you a clean grayscale printout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.